Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your ZTE Blade A7s, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next move for the sound, it will be right here in the audio profiles. Then here we got the vibration, so we can click to activate switch vibration, and we can also enter for one of these modes. So click on the three dots in the right upper corner and we can just click to add one of them. Let's name it like that. Click, then tap here. We can edit this one. So when we are here, we can change the vibration for calls by tapping on the switcher. We can also rename this audio profile, and when we scroll down, we are also able to turn off vibration by tapping on the switcher. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.